They say you don't travel just to move your body from one place to another. You travel to be moved, to seek the static out of your soul. Standing in the shadow of the Kuala Lumpur skyline, I was surrounded by the perfect geometry of steel and glass. It's a city that screams of the future. But lately, I haven't been looking for the future. I've been looking for the origin. So, I left the concrete behind. I boarded a plane searching for something older, something that wasn't built by the hands of the architects, but carved by the patience of time. Surabaya was just the gateway. I landed in the evening, cleared immigration, and drifted into the city just to rest my head. And by the time I woke up, the sun had not even broke the horizon yet. So I grabbed my bags and caught the first train out to Probolinggo. And honestly, there's a specific rhythm to the trains in Java. It's a lullaby of iron and motion. As I watched the dense city sprawl rush past the window, I felt the modern world peeling away layer by layer. It was a 2 hours ride, just enough time to forget who I was in the metropolis and prepare for who I would be in the wild.
Indonesia. Good morning. Dear passengers, on behalf of PT Kereta Api Indonesia and the crew on
There's one thing I would like to show you. Look at the AC. So AC on this train is basically that the same AC that we use in our homes. It's quite interesting. I just wanted to show you. That's all. The time was 8 past 10. Stepping off the platform in Probolinggo, the air felt different, heavier, hotter. The train had done its job, but now I needed to take the reins. A lot of people usually hire driver here, tucked away in air-conditioned cars, also because this is a touristic town. But I did not come this far to be a passenger. I found a local rental spot and picked up a motorbike. Nothing fancy, just an engine brave enough for the incline. There is a different kind of freedom when you trade four wheels for two. No glass windows, no filter, just me, the machine, and the map pointing east. Also, I will tell you from where I got this motorbike, which was also not expensive, I would say. So the person who rented me this motorbike, his name is Steve, brother Steve. He is a wonderful man. As you can see, we also exchanged a lot of greetings, and he actually helped me a lot. He gave me a map, and he also made an itinerary, small itinerary that I can follow. It was really a wonderful trip so far. So if you're also planning to visit East Java, if you want to explore East Java, then you can always come to the Probolinggo station and you can contact him. You can contact me as well. I will put my number in the description. Also, you can contact me on Instagram. And if you ever want to visit, or if you ever want to explore East Java, Mount Bromo, or anything, you can always contact brother Steve. He's a very wonderful person. He will take care of you. Anyway, moving forward now. So the time is 9:30, and this is when I begin my journey. And my first stop is Madakaripura Waterfall, which you are going to see in this video. And this is one of the most beautiful waterfall I have ever seen and I have ever experienced. This has a story of its own, so I won't speak much. I just want you to enjoy the ride. I just want you to see the view, see the city. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would Highly appreciated if you consider subscribing and sharing it with your friends. Now, the higher I climbed, the more the world changed. It wasn't just the altitude, the air itself felt different here, heavy, cool, and thick with moisture. I was riding deep into the foothills of the Tengu Range, a place where history feels alive. Wow, look at the view. So this is the entrance of the waterfall where I paid 1,50,000 rupiah, somewhere around that. And this is where you can get entry. You can also park your bike, you can also park your car. सब कुछ included होता है, everything will be included within it. So now I want you to enjoy the view. Wait. The villager says that this is where Gajah Mada came to spend his final days. He wasn't just any soldier, he was the Mahapat, the iron hand of the Majapahit Empire. The man who swore the famous Palapa oath, vowing to never rest, to never taste the spices of the worldly pleasure, until he had united the thousand of island of the Nusantara under one flag. Now this Nusantara is basically the archipelago, which is multiple island, multiple small island coming together, forming together. And after a lifetime of war and conquest, he did not choose a palace for his end. He chose this silence to meditate, to vanish. This is the story of a Madakaripura waterfall. I traveled thousands of miles, planes, trains, and motorbikes just to stand here and feel small. We spend so much of our lives trying to be big, to be seen, to be loud, to be heard. But here in the shadow of Mandakipura, the only thing that matters is the water. It has been falling long before I was born, and it will continue long after I'm gone. Wow, that's the Mount Bromo.